Welcome back everyone, I'm David from InkHeartsUK Industries. Thank you for joining today. If you watched the previous videos, you might remember on the driver's side what we done with the A-pillar. Well, to be honest, the passenger side, it's 100 times worse. What happened is we had to completely delete and just rebuild the whole thing. So stick around and have a look what we've done. So what I'm trying to do is, we got these brackets which is holding the door. One bracket this side and one bracket on the other side. This has to be pretty much in the same place, so I have to somehow copy that one onto the new panel, new skin, what I'm doing. So now I tacked the brackets in place. The reason I know it's in the right place, in the right position, there was some spot welding there and there. It all lines up. That one's still attached where it was, but loose enough now, so shouldn't take too much effort to take it off. What I'm gonna do in a minute, I'm gonna build this up in sections and try to find the best fit, clamp it in place and just start shaping. There's a few little bits and pieces. I will try to copy it. So I pinch welded here and there to keep it in position, keep it in place, and started to copy the shape. yeah, all had to come out, and
we call it a draw.
whatever left, I'm gonna use some edge primer to prime it. That's how it starts. Yeah, wow. Just done the edge priming. While it's going off, I'm gonna drill some holes for the spot weld. Then it can go back, put it together. I welded up the hinges, the brackets for which is gonna hold the door, top and bottom. I'm gonna do the plug welds and then trim back all the right size what I need. I got the brackets for the front of the panel, so we'll try to pinch weld it. That's it really. I got the panel ready. That's gonna go onto the front, and just make it up as we go along. So as I pinch weld it together, I got the rough shape what I really need to follow. I can do the zip cuts now, I can do the cuts, so it's gonna be butt welded together, and just doing nice and easy step by step, a little bit here and there, and just go all the way down and keep checking the panel, make sure it's fit. I drill 7.5 8mm holes along there, plug weld all along, fill these up.
Who you calling fuck nose fish face? All I see is a big disgrace. Where's the good ones in this place? Well, Jimmy 5 major pain, 2 and 2 inside my brain. Listen up to that sweet refrain. Hey.
So what I'm gonna do is I marked up where the bumper touches and needs shaping, and also along the cover panel it's a little bit of kick in, which is need to, it's like a channel, need to hammer it in, make sure everything is fits right. thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, just leave a comment below, and yeah, we can start some discussion. Thanks for watching and see you next time.